We are live. What's up, everybody? Welcome. Happy Tuesday. Hopefully, everybody's been trading well. Things are going well with the market. I don't know what's going on with the SPY, but I know my oil had did a pullback on MRO. Nice short this morning. If anyone caught that after that pump that happened, let's see where it goes from now on. So let's make it happen. Today we're breaking down stage one tickers that are going to turn into stage two, or stickers that are in stage twos, and see how far they're going to go. I see people coming in. What's up, Eric, Bryce? What's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Let's make it happen. Let's post the link so you guys know to show up. Let's make that link happen right now. Drop the tickers right there. I see you guys. Monopoly Man, was that Rob right there? Misfit, what's up? Ricardo, how you doing? What's going on? Ruben, as always. You guys are always on time. Let's make it happen. Let's break it down. Let's get the link right here. If you guys want, drop your tickers, but I already have a list of tickers from my seminar students, all breaking down. Let's see where it is. I'll show you the file in a second. Let me just share the link. Let's make it happen. Let's go. What's up? What's up? I see everybody. What's going on? We got Paris in the building. What's up, Sophie? Roblox, good to see everybody. Tracy, did you make this list? I didn't see the message, but did you make the list that I'm about to show right now? Let me just post this link, and then we'll make it happen. Let's make it happen. Live on stage one. Let's drop the link, and then let's make it happen. Can I tell you how much I hate Apple products? Paste. Boom. Almost there. My Android phone would have been so much faster. I could tell you that right now. Send. Boom. All right, let's get it started. What's up, guys? Let's go on. Let's make it happen. Let's go. Let's pull up the tickers. Let me show you the tickers we're going to talk about right now. So check this out. So these are the tickers I am going over tonight. Let's go. So for those that are going to ask, this is it right here. I got all these stickers. Current stage. It's already been broken down by the my seminar students. Let's zoom into this right here, this chart. Let's zoom in. Can we zoom in even further? Let's go. So we got these stickers I'm going to check out. We got F. We got what? What do we got? F, I'm assuming it's Ford, biotech. We got cannabis. We got crypto. The sector. Okay, cool. We got energy. My MRO made the list. All right. Okay. We got it broken down by the volume, average, everything. So let's go into it. So we're going to start off with F, and then we're going to go down the line. So as you can see, boom. This is a Google Sheet document just shared with me by the seminar students, breaking it all down. Breaking it all down. Let's make it happen, guys. Let's go. Let's go into all the tickers. Give me a thumbs up. Everyone can see. What's up? I see everybody. Alvin, que lo que? What's going on? Olga, you aren't on it anymore? Yeah, check the link. Check. I'll send. Check the Twitter. You'll see it over there. Sophie and I made it with the top tickers. Nice. Tracy and Sophie, good job on this. Good job on this. What's up, Miss Carlos? All right, let's make it happen. So again, this list behind me, I'll say it once, and then people in the comment section hook me up. This is an ever-changing list, I guess. Again, seminar students made this list. It keeps changing. We're going to break down all the tickers. How many we got tonight? We got 23. I'm going to cover all 23. So hold on tight. Let's make it happen. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, thumbs up coming in. Let's go. We're going to go through all of these stickers. All right. I see you guys. All right, let me load up. Let's load up TradingView. And then let's start adding all these stickers. Let's go. Chrome. We'll add all these stickers. If you have your own, keep them. But I'm only going through the seminar student stickers. That's what we're going over tonight. So boom on that one. So let's go. Chad is in the building. Chadius Maximus. Long time no see, Chad. Hope all is well. Hope all is well. Let's go. All right. All right. All right. All right. Let's get this on the daily. And by the way, for the record, I'm staying, just to clarify, all of these positions that I'm about to pull up, I'll tell you what stage they're on. They can be used to swing trade. They can also be used to scalp trade. It doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, if you're trading a stage two, scalping a stage two, you just ride that momentum to the upside, wait for the pullback, and then get it right back in as the momentum shifts and it goes to the upside. So keep that in mind, okay? This can be used for both. I'm going to mainly stay on the daily chart and the 2 hour. That's it. That's what I'm staying on. And you'll see the indicators I use. I'll probably use the 920. MACD, RSI. No VWAP, because you can't really use the VWAP on the daily chart. It doesn't really work. So, boom. Boom on that one. All right. Let's get this on the daily. Let's get this. I need a singular chart. We got it on the daily chart. Okay, cool. Bring it down. Let's load up all these stickers first. Before I do anything, let's load up all these stickers. Let's start off a new list. Lesson. Cool. Let's get rid of these. All right, let's go. Let's start adding them. So as you can see, I'm going to add these stickers to TradingView. You guys can write them down if you want to as well, but let's go. Let's start. We got F. Done. Forward. Next one. Okay, here we go. SONN. I hope there's no penny stocks in here. If there is, it's fine. ACB. Okay. Next one, WW. Okay. ATUS. CAN. If the sector's crypto, then it's probably taken off like a cannon, because we already know where BTC is going right now. HUT. HUT. Why does that sound familiar? I feel like that's been dropped on my show before. ANY. Again, I'm just adding all the tickers that might be on a stage 1, stage 2, and we're gonna break them all down. All down. Welcome, guys. Good to see everybody. Look at all this familiar names. All these beautiful names. What's up, David? Good to always see you. I swear to God, it's so good to see all you guys here. Boom. Can't promise that a few penny stock didn't make the list. It's okay, Trace. No worries. It's all good. We'll look at it anyway. All right, any? Done. Next one, MRO. My MRO, let's see. Did a strong pullback. Today. Come on, MRO. BTU. This is Tracy's favorite. BTU. Next one, CRK. FTI. GEVO. Okay. All right. GEVO made the list. GEVO. CLNE. FSR. As you can see, tonight might be a long night, so get ready. Sebastian's in the house. What's up, Sebastian? What's up? Let's go. Tonight's going to be a long night, people. David's in the building. David Lee. What's up, David? Let's keep going. FSR. Next one. NKL. Nicola. What is this doing here? Okay. If it's on the sheet, I'll look at it. Not a problem. OCGN. Because I know Nicola got into trouble with all the nonsense they were up to. PAVM. GSM. GO. INDI. VST. All right, that's a wrap. Now we got all the tickers. So I'm going to go over 23 tickers in total. 23 tickers in total. Let's go. We're starting. They're all loaded up on my TradingView. maximize the screen. Okay, let's maximize the screen. Let's go. All right, all right, all right, all right. First, let's get rid of this. Let's go clean. Let me ask you guys a question. So, guys, as I start this off, what do you ultimately want? Should I start no indicators and just use support resistance to see where it is? Or should I use indicators? Tell me in the comment section. What do you people want? Support resistance based analysis, figuring out what stage it's in, or indicators? I could do both, but it's easier if I just do one at a time. Tell me what you want in the comment section. Let's go. Let's make it happen. Is Danny P getting arrested for a party? Again? I didn't go to that party of his. I didn't go. Again? I don't know. Professor looks clean cut. Thank you, Ruben. I appreciate you. As always. As always. All right, let's go. Support resistance, no indicators. Why not both? David, because I'm going to have to constantly... It looks cleaner. Let's put it this way. It just looks cleaner if I don't have to use the indicators. That's all. That's the only reason. That emoji. Support resistance, simpler. Yeah, I know. That's why I like it. Support resistance first. Do your base analysis. I got you, chat. Indicators, no indicators, moving average. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. By the way, guys, share the stream with people that you know. Share it. Let's get the numbers up. But I like it. It's a nice about to hit 50. That's what we hit regularly. Support resistance only, no indicators, support resistance. People want to jump in just to look at indicators and trade it, stick to the process. Correct. Support resistance. All right, look at the comments. Gary, Valencia. Okay, support resistance 1. I think it was just a handful of people that said, less than a handful of people that said indicators. All right, done. We'll do just clean support resistance. And if need be, I'll pull up an indicator or two. But just clean support resistance. Done. Let's make it happen. All right, let me move this out the way. I can't promise you that I might end up hitting the microphone multiple times. Your professor, I've been missing you, baby boy. Mr. Reed, good to see you, my brother. It's always good to see old faces. I miss you too. Hope all is well, Mr. Reed. Hope all is well. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's shut off the indicators. Indicators. What the hell ticker is this? DHT? Oh, it's Nunez. All right, let's go. First ticker. Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Oh my God, look at what a burn here. All right, okay. Let's turn up the brightness, number 1. Why are you so dark? Number 1, brightness up. Let's look at it. So first ticker, can they see the tickers? Let me see. Let's see if they can see. Let me fix them. Do I have to go up? Zoom out. Go to the right. Yeah, they can see it. That works. Okay. Boom. Let's go. Let's go into it. All right. There should be 45 likes. Thank you, Sophie. As always, I appreciate you. Yeah, well, you guys, if you hit that, it just gets the algorithm going in my favor. So if you want to, go ahead. But I appreciate you guys. All right, let's get into it. So the first ticker we're looking at is ATUS. Let's go. It has been hammered beyond hammered. Look at this stage 4 collapse right here. Full collapse. What is this? Consumer services, cable, satellite. Okay, cool. Whoa. If you notice something interesting, look at this 52-week range. Look how low it is. 17. Again, I know nothing about this company. We're just doing straight technical analysis if you're joining us late. Straight technical analysis on this ticker. As you can notice, wow. It's been devastated. Let's zoom out on this bad boy. So it looks like it does. Ooh, this is okay. I like this right now. I'm liking this. All right, let's start the process off. Let's create the first support line for this one. 1595. All right. So ticker ATUS. If you plan on trading this, my suggestion to you is if you want the strongest level of support and you want a good place to get your entry in, is 1595 in that area. And I'm going to tell you why. The last time it fell at 15.95, and it ended up going all the way to 27.99. Imagine getting in over here. So that's your first one right here. You still have $2 to fall. That's number one. As you can see, what a pump. It was going and now it's falling. So that's your first one, if you want that one. Let's go further back to analyze this even further. Okay, let's go right here. As you can see, actually, here as well, let's make another one. So that's that level. What's the next one? Right here. So 1702 is another strong level. So you have multiple strong levels here, as you can see, of support. So, look, I love it. Everybody's so cool. Look. Need you back in the Zoom. Voice of reason. Mr. Roblox, what's your name? Who are you exactly? I know you, but who? All right, let's go. So, as you can see, we're at 1763. 1763. This is the price right now. 1702, right here. Let me show you, right? Very strong level of support as well. Boom. 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 So 1702 should hold. It's a strong level. But if it fails, the next level is 1595 on this ticker. Right now, it's still a stage 4. It's still a stage 4 collapse. Don't take an entry on it. I hope nobody has an entry on this ticker. I really hope nobody has an entry on this ticker. Oh, that's Sebastian? Roblox? Oh, yes, that's his son account. I remember now. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. There it is. Professor, I was talking to Chad. It's Sebastian, my son. Yes, I remember now, Sebastian. I remember. So there you go. As of now, stay clear of this. But I like that the seminar students have this on their radar because it's at a good level right here. 1702, and if it doesn't hold that, 1595. And if it doesn't hold that, let's see. Just for security purposes, what's the lowest this bad boy can really go before? 1520. So here's the thing with, this is nice. I'm going to keep my eye on this too, actually. This is interesting. If you can get ticker ATUS in the $15 range, you're looking good. If you can get this ticker in the $15 range, keep your eye on it, okay? In the 15. You got 1520, 1595, and then the 17s, yeah. But you're much safer in the $15. So boom on that one. But as I said, this bad boy is still on a clean collapse. It is still falling. It hasn't stopped its descent yet. But it does have a cushion now. It's nearing its cushion. That's a new thing I just came up with. So boom. Any questions on ATUS? Let me know. This is Curvy Libra. Lena. Welcome, Lena. Welcome. I love it. I love to see the old crew and the new crew. I love it. Professor, where have you been? Lena, I've been here. I've been here all along. Professor, I missed you. I was on vacation, but I'm back. Greta, good to see you. You are missed as well. Good to see you. Nunez is in the house. I love it. Mustafa. Mustafa, is that my Mustafa? The one I know? Or a different one? Carlos, I'm on lunch at work, Professor. Let's get the learning on. What's up, Carlos? Always good to see you. Let me know. Is there anything else you want me to look at before I go to the next tick or anything specific? Let me know. Need me some Puerto Rico. Antonio. Yeah, I know. Let's see. We could look at the indicators too, by the way. As you can see, the volume, devastating here. It's bad. It hasn't stabilized. It needs to find stabilization with less sellers and the buyers coming in. Below the 9, below the 20, below the 200. You already know what that means. Bearish territory. Buyer-seller lines below the 0-point histogram. MACD, RSI don't look good. They don't look good across the board. But, just so you know, this will be recorded. What is the date today? Just so for my own reference. October 12th, Tuesday, October 12th, 2021. Boom. These are the levels. So you guys can go back and see, was I right? Exit price, I've been looking for you. I've been here, Lena. What's up? Come back, boy. The exit price, Tracy? Okay. So if you take the entry, so for me, if again, I'm going to speak solely from me. If I was taking an entry on this, and let's say if it was a swing position, I don't swing trade, but let's just say I'm going to pretend, okay? I'll be very happy in the 15s, but you have to let it finish collapsing first. And you see a clean consolidation. So now, where is your exit? I love that question, Tracy. Let's see. Shut off the indicator. $19.06, Tracy, is your exit. $19.06 is your exit. Right here. Guys, can you do me a favor in the comments? Because they're asking, where have I been? Can someone just answer for me? Where have I been so I can focus on the teaching? So guys in the comments, help me out, please. And Mr. Polo, good to see you. Guys, can you answer Polo and Lena to knock that out of the way for me? So Tracy, 1906 is good because as you can see, the previous stage 1 was right here. As you can see. This is where you would need conviction, as Mr. Peters would say. You would get it in the 15s and then rocket ship to the moon. You see this? Once it broke 1906, it just went, as they say, to the moon. So that's what happened right here. So your bet is anywhere that I would, again, you can get it in the 17s, but I'm going to be honest with you, I won't feel comfortable until anywhere in the $15. I will be very comfortable with this. So boom. There you go. There you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Everyone take a second to hit the like button. Thank you, Mustafa. I appreciate you as always. Don't try to catch a falling knife. 100%. Wait for the reversal and a retest. Wait for it to start consolidating. 100%, Chad. He deleted. No, AZ, I did not delete it. That is inaccurate. Whoever told you that that's a false statement. Trophy, can we add the key levels to the list? Also the trophy? Tracy. Yeah, you guys should add that to the Excel sheet, the key levels. His account got hacked by, he should, thank you, Mustafa. Yeah, let's not say that person's name who did it. For less risky take, can we wait for the shorter moving average to cross a longer moving average for confirmation? Yeah, Ruben, you can do that. But if you just want to keep it simple, if you just want to keep it simple, again, study the past to understand the present and the future, right? I always say that. Study the past to understand the present and the future. What do I mean by that? This was the past of ATUS right here. Look at it. 1520, 1595, 1702, 1906. And once it broke 1906, it took off. So, same thing happening here. Look at the collapse here. It's still pretty brutal. It found support at 1906, but that failed. Let's see what happens at 1702. That's the next strong level. Once that fails, it's going to keep going. You wanted to do this, guys. Once this event has taken place, get ready. Who says you can't be like institutions and hedge funds? Start accumulating, the accumulating phase. You start getting little positions here. Boom. And then once, this is what you're waiting for. What's your next event? Let's see. Let's see how well my students know. What is the next event? Once this happens, what do we wait for to know that it's on a stage 2? Let's go. Quiz time, guys. I miss giving you guys quizzes. Boom. Let's go. Hit the like button. Thank you, Ruben. Chad, thank you. Mustafa, basically, when you help people become successful, others will do whatever they can to stop you. Unfortunately, Mustafa, unfortunately. Trophy is Tracy plus Sophie. I should maybe, it's trophy next time. They made the, I love that. I love that. That is funny. That is funny. That is funny. I like that. Trophy plus Tracy and Sophie put together. Dream team. 4 days sideways makes a box. Well, technically, Scala, you can't, the days, you can't really account the days. They do whatever they want. But there's a better way to confirm that it's good to go. Keep going, guys, with the comments. Let me see. Consolidation. But what are we waiting for to know? Look at Lena over there. Lena, I'm going to try to pronounce that last name. Lena Corey? Or Cowrie? Corey Cowrie. Let's go. I'm waiting for a specific event. That lets me know we're on a stage 2. Let's go. I'm going to quiz you guys a few times. And then I'm going to go jump to the next ticker. Break of resistance, then it goes to stage 2. But Ruben, yes, but what price? Which price? Which price, Ruben? Which price? Yeah, but what price? Can you guys see? Is it clear enough to see the prices? It looks clear to me, but I don't know how it's being shown to you guys. Carlos, you're right, but I'm waiting for the exact price. What price to know that we are on a clean stage 2? That's what I'm waiting for, guys. Tracy says 1906. Monopoly Man, the upper level. Alexander says the top price. Once it breaks 1906, a third line can't see the price. Oh, we can't see the price. Okay, no worries, guys. All right, I'll say it then. My bad. I thought you guys could see it. Once it breaks this, you're good to go. Then you know you're on a clean stage 2. Now, here's the thing. You also got to look at the volume, too. So let me show you that example. Don't think just because it broke 1906, it's on a clean stage 2. And I'm going to tell you what I mean by that. Let me show you an example. Let me go off script for 2 seconds. Because we have to understand both sides of the coin right now. And what do I mean by that? This. Let me show you my Jetblue. My old days. Before MRO, it was Jetblue. Okay, perfect. Here we go. So, ticker is Jetblue, daily chart. I just want to show you something to make you understand the risk factors in swing trading and trading in general. So, as you can see, Jetblue, stage 1, bouncing between 1393 and 1592. So, what were we waiting for? The break. And it broke. It broke, but look, extremely weak, bearish candles. Look at that. Oh, I could have done a better job than that. Hold on. It broke right here. And look, it went all the way back to 1520. It tried again. The momentum came in. Super bullish. But came right back down. Now it's stuck. Now it's trying to do it again at 1592. Could this time it break through and continue to upwards back to in the 20s? Because that's what it wants to do. So what you need to understand is if you got into Jetblue as a swing trade in the 15s, you are fine. You are fine. You got nothing to worry about anywhere in the 15s. But keep in mind, if the 1520 is broken, the next level, let me make it. $14.65, and then we're going to $13.93. So Jetblue is trying to become a stage 2. Trying to become a stage 2. Let's look at why. And as you can see right here, I turn on the indicators. The 200 is not letting it go. So now the 200 is not letting it go. Also, you can see all the sellers. You see all the volume right here? Look at all the blood red. Red, red. A lot of red. What is causing Jetblue not to go on a clean stage 2? Let's go. There's something here behind me. Before I tell you, I want you to tell me. Let me answer some questions. It's blurry. Damn, it shouldn't be blurry. It shouldn't be blurry. I got this going at 1080p. Prices appear kind of small, but I'll say 1906. Yup, Chad, you got it. What about a bull trap? Could be. Stage 2, knock, knock, boom. Knock, knock. That's 4 days. 200 steel. Yes, Ruben. You need confirmations to know it's stage 2. Yes, Rob. 100%. Rob, I never asked you why you call yourself Monopoly Man. The 200, very good, V. Tanito's in the building. I'll be seeing you, Tanito, at the seminar soon. The 200 EMA. 100%. 100%. The dark green is a 200. As you can see, I'll zoom in. It is not letting Jetblue, this ticker, initiate a stage 2. It goes and it just says come right back down. It goes, it comes right back down. So keep that in mind. Swing traders, scalp traders, the 200. The 200. There's not too much volume, resistance. You not blurry? Yeah, I know. I shouldn't be. Guys, do me a favor. Click on your settings and jump it to 1080p on your phones if you're watching or your computer. You see the little sprocket? Click that and jump it to 1080p because I see 1080p. It's telling me I'm 1080p. So I'm just saying, boom. There you go. So that's the example I wanted to give you. Now let's go back to the tickers. Let's go. Let's go with Ford. Let's see. EMA's off. Let's zoom out. All right, cool. All right. Let's make our lines. Okay, cool. So let's look at this. The ticker is Ford. Ford Motors, F. Stage 1 right here. Let's draw it out. Broke, 1337. Once it broke, see, look, came back down. As long as you got this in the 12 range or the 13s, you're fine. Once it held very nicely at 1263. Once it broke 1337, it's up, up, and away. Boom. So it is on a stage 2. You guys can write that down. So far, we have confirmed one, stage 2. Ford Motors is a good to go. 100%. 100%. Love for real estate. That's why I got you. It's actually blown out, not blurry. Got you, Francisco. All good. You good, Professor? All clear. Thank you, Gold. F is stage 2, 100%. Professor looks clear and fresh. Thank you, Chad. F has been booming lately, 100%. Oh shit, Professor, 1080p. So Ford is looking fantastic. Now the question is, when does the fun end? When does the fun end? Oh, boom. Here we go. Let's pull up the fun. I don't want the fun to end, but we got to know when the fun ends. All right. Keep your eye at 1645, guys. As you can see, previous level of resistance right here. Once it hit it, complete collapse. So you guys can have fun for $1 more, roughly. $1 more of fun out of Ford. Enjoy the ride. Take the ride. Have fun if you're trading it. Give me a hands up if you are in Ford right now. And if you are swing trading it or scalping it, let me know. Let me know. Francisco with the golden ratio icon. Very nice. What does that mean? Golden ratio icon, Chad. I don't know what that means. Misfit. I switched the settings on my computer much better, but the green contrast with White number is really hard to see. Everything else is good, not blurry. The green contrast with the white numbers? White numbers. Green contrast. You want me to change the color of my marker? Is that what you mean? I'll change it. I think if that's what you mean. And maybe change the light colors. Maybe that'll help you guys. If that helps. Maybe. Boom. Eric is scalping Ford. Okay, cool. What else? Let me know. Who else? Misfit says no on the side. No worries. Cool. What else? Who else is on this? That's it? I guess if no one's commenting, that means she's referring to the support resistance line. It's hard to see them. Huh. That's weird. That's weird. Where the support resistance line highlight the price on the side? Where are the support resistance lines highlighted on the side? Let me see if I can do something with the colors. Let me see. Let me see. I can see them. That's weird. It looks crystal clear on my end. Let me check it on the phone. Maybe what? Let me see what I could do. I could see it. Okay. I can see the numbers now. He's talking about the price being white text instead of the green background. Upswing trading. Okay. Got you. Francisco's user has a series of boxes with the spiral passing through them, little known as the golden ratio. I'll tell you more offline. Got you, Chad. Professor, what's the deal with the gram? When they letting you back? I don't know, John. No idea. Filled out all the paperwork. No update yet. But to be honest with you, I'm relaxing right now. I don't mind it. If they take a little longer, I'll be honest, it's cool because I'm enjoying the I have more free time. My trades have been much better. So honestly, I'm enjoying the time away from IG. And if they want to take a little longer to bring me back, let them take a little longer. I'm enjoying it. So boom. To be honest with you, I'm enjoying it too much. So I'm cool with it not being on it right now. Professor, what's the deal with the gram? I answered that already. If you go to 1080p and go full screen, the numbers are clear. There you go, guys. Do what Ruben just said. Go to settings in the sprocket on your when you're watching this, and just go to 1080p and full screen. Boom. You can see fine, bro. Cool. I learned the pictures much better. Nice. Cool, Olga. All right, so let's back to this. So that's what you should be careful about. Let's pull up some indicators. How's it looking? So the MACD, fantastic. Momentum to the upside. Buyers are in control. Buyers selling line about the 0 point histogram. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. RSI is in the danger zone, but it's a clear trend to the upside. You are fine. You are fine. For those of you that are probably going to watch the recording of this, telling you right now the power of technical analysis, mark my words, it's going to hit 1645 and do a pullback. Trade this after 1645 and then short it, but see what happens. See what happens. Boom. Where'd you go? What a joke. You're good, but not right. What a joke. You're good, but not. I know, John, but it is what it is. To be honest with you, it's a godsend what happened. It's a godsend. I needed it. So I'm cool with it. I've come to terms with what happened. Post quizzes on Twitter, but they're not interactive. Gold, they're not interactive. That's the problem. I love these classes. Thank you, Tanisha. We can see the prices now. Looks better. I'm glad. Okay, so this light. Done. But we need you, Professor. I know, Alex, but I'm here. I'm here. Now, do you ever trade on stage one? And if so, would you trade when the ticker is on stage? Monopoly, Rob, I would, my MRO, but I don't suggest a novice trader do that. Rob, I don't suggest a novice trader. We'll be here on YouTube supporting. Thank you, Eric. I appreciate you guys. Vasco, it usually here is 3 weeks to get back. And honestly, they can take a month or two. I'm cool with it. I'm honestly cool with it. We all be here supporting you. But thank you, Alex. All right. So then there you go. This is looking great. Ford. Boom. We're good. Let's go. Next one. SON. Oh my God. It's a penny stock. All right. It's cool. We'll do it. Why is this on the list, Tracy? And why the hell do I have support resistance for this stock? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is such a clean pump and dump. I don't like this stock. I don't like it. I don't even want to analyze this. I don't want to even analyze this. I know, but I really want to know why this is here. Tracy or Sophie, why is this ticker on the list? SONN. Can I know in the comment section, please? I really want to know why this is here. This is a horrible stock. I don't know what it does. Biotherapeutics, biotech, of course, the worst of the worst. It's a horrible ticker. It should not be on this list. Girls, can you tell me why? Why is this on the list? I'm so low on water. You traded that, Alvin? I don't think I traded ever. Maybe back in the days I traded it. I don't think I ever did. Highly doubt that I did. Scala says next. I got you, Scala, but I really want to know why the hell Tracy or Sophie has this here. This stock was at 3,200 10 years ago. Goddamn. I'm Kako, professor, supporting you. Oh, Kako, what's up, baby boy? Good to see you. Good to see you. On to the next one. Someone in the group mentioned it. All right. I want why was this mentioned? But when okay, so we can have an educational conversation about this actually. Who says we can't? Okay. I need you to understand something, guys. This stock is the definition of pump and dumps. You see this? Do you see this insanity? It's done it multiple times. Can you imagine what's the price on this? $7.89, and then it went all the way down to $2. Imagine all the bag holders in this. It's complete devastation. Once it broke that level of support, it collapsed. Hell no. And it pumped right here. It was a pump and dump right here too. All right, next ticker. So point is, you can tell how insane this ticker is. Boom. All right, Tracy, we'll go to the next one. Where can we find this list? Fred, this list is only for the seminar students. They have the list. They update the list. They move on with the list. But Fred, you're coming to the October seminar. I think that's what you told me. They're coming to the October seminar. So you will get access to this list, my free book, when you come to the seminar. So boom. Boom. Imagine holding, since it's all the way I know, and you want to bet that there's a lot of people holding it? Guaranteed. Evelyn, that looks scary. I know. Evelyn, that's why we stopped trading penny stocks. We have the similar mindset. Boom. Don't do that, Wish. All right, let's go. Next one. Next ticker, ACB. Aurora Cannabis. Long time no here on this one. Long time no here. All right, let's look at it. Let's look at this. Let's see. Okay. It's coming off. All right. This is on a stage 1. Beautiful. Let's do it. This is on a stage 1. As you can see, how do I know that? Let's analyze it. For those that probably came in late. Downtrend. Stopped when it started consolidating. And now it's smoothly consolidating. This is very nice. Let's analyze this bad boy. Let's go. Boom. So here we go. So this is called stage one. Again, the accumulation period. This is where you can start buying up shares. You are safe. Your safest bet is to buy in the $5 range, even though the support is 585. I need you to let's have this conversation. I need you guys to understand something. When it comes to swing trading, you can't always get the perfect entry. We have to stop thinking that when it comes to swing trading. That's why, if you notice, I'm telling you, if you get anywhere in the $5 range, you have a strong entry. Because last time I checked, you're not going to be complaining if you buy a stock in the $5 range and you end up selling it in the next level of resistance for you will be $10. That's a $5 move per share on a stock. So I don't think you can complain about that. Oh, my entry was 536 when it could have been 524 or something. No, that's semantics. Don't get into that. That's like, leave that to the scalp traders. Leave that to my group of individuals. But when you talk about swing trading, if you can get this into the fives, you're fine. Even in the six. My thing about the sevens is, I want to be in this $5-6 range if I want to swing trade this. Boom, boom. There you go. As you can see. So you can get this anywhere in this range. By the way, this is what institutions do. The accumulation phase. If you go to the website, everything is at the bottom. If you click at the bottom, there's the website, the free course. All of it is there for you. The trading journal, the information to the seminar, all that stuff is there. Use that to guide you. The books. There's 6 books you can buy. Go read those 6 books. This period is where the institutions are buying up a storm. And then when they're ready to rocket ship, they feel like they have enough, it explodes. Past 774, then up to 1064. But again, you got to look at the volume. Let's look at it, right? Let's pull up the indicators. Okay? RSI is looking nice. It's holding on the 60. Oh. Sorry, what is that? It's above the 50. MACD. Oh, this is looking. Whoa, I'm actually liking this right now. As you can see, it's movement to the upside. That's number one. I'm not done yet. Also, as if you can notice something, let's see if there's something very interesting happening behind me. I'm not going to say what it is right now. I want to see if people in the audience can figure it out. Let's go in the comment section. Let me know. I'll answer some questions till then. What ticker is that? ACB, Alex. I have the stock. I've had it for so. What price was your entry, Lena? You won't always have the perfect entry and exit. Trust the process. Take your profits. Offer up. Yes, 100%, Chad. Some time now. Thank you. We refine our skills to be better, but not expect perfect trades. Correct. 100%, Chad. Antonio said the same thing. Let's go. Tell me, guys. Let me know. We got a lot of tickers to cover. Crossing the zero. Keep going, Francisco. Bigger than that. This stock did a reverse split. Okay. Oh, got you. It's crossing the zero. Something else, Mrs. Carlos. Something else. What else? Let's see. Something very interesting on the board right now. Green mountains are getting bigger. Of course, Tracy. Yes. I love when the seminar students get the answer right. I love it. 100%. If you can notice something, the buyers, the momentum bars on the 0-point histogram are growing. It's getting higher and higher as the buyer-seller lines are crossing and moving to in an uptrend. Boom. I bet you never noticed that before looking at a MACD. There you go. That tells you that things are looking good. Things are looking very good. You want to keep your eye on this bad boy. You want to keep your eye on ACV. So it's looking very nice. Okay. Boom. There you go. Did I say where it could go to? Yes, I did. All right. Next ticker. This is very nice. Keep your eye on ACB, guys. Keep your eyes on ACB. I wish I could bring on Mr. Peters, but it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Questions? Higher highs in the mountains, you know it. Lena, when it's split, I own my shares at 45 a share, and since I've been buying to average down, got you. Hopefully, you're buying when it's at strong levels of support, Lena. Can you draw a trend line on the histogram? Yeah, of course you can. I did that. I don't do a physical one. I do like a mental one. Good job, Trace. Boom. All cannabis stocks are probably looking very similar. Yeah, Reed, if you probably look at the sector and pull them up, I'm sure they are. I'm sure they are. 100%. All right, next one. WW International. All right, cool. Let's look at it. This thing took a beating. All right, it collapsed. Stage 4. And it looks like it's holding. Oh, man. This is kind of scary. See this gap? Look at that gap. It just dropped. What was the? Where'd it go from? $32 to 22. Damn. Damn. Tracy or Sophie, does anyone know why this thing fell $10? God damn. That's a sad state of affairs right there. All right, let's do it. So the stage 4 looks like it came to a close. It is now consolidating. Your safer bet will be here. Let's go back on this, the chart's history. Yep. Look at that. See what I did? I made the support resistance in the present time. I went back. Look at that. Look at that. This is excellent. This is excellent support resistance levels right there. And then it just rocket shipped to the moon. You know, we think that, oh no, we're losing money. Oh no, the stock's doing so bad. You need to start getting this into your mindset. It's getting cheaper. I can buy more of it. Think of that. It's getting cheaper. You want to like this. This is a good thing. This is a bad thing. Yes, if you're in it, you're making money, it's good. But I'm bad in the sense that it's more expensive. Like, am I a little upset that Ethereum is just getting more and more expensive? Of course I am. I want it to stay cheap so I can accumulate as much as humanly possible. So, boom. That's the example I'll use for that. So let's go back to now. So here we go. Here it is right here. So WW looks good. If you can get it anywhere in the $18 range, again, I'm gonna start saying it like that. In the 18s or the 17s, you're good to go. Again, you're not gonna complain when you're selling it. You won't be complaining if you got it at 17 or 18 when you're selling it at $24. And plus, it might have that gap to fill. So if it does that, we're looking at $32. We're looking at $32. Boom. It's looking good. It's looking good. Let me answer some questions. Show names. Rob, what are you talking about, show names? What does that mean? Ray's dropping some cannabis stickers. Carlos, I absolutely love that. I learn something new every time I watch you. You are the best. Thank you, Miss Carlos. I appreciate you coming and watching. It's at a nice support touching previous. Yup. Which ticker? What ticker? WW. It's right here, guys. It's right here. So boom. Let's pull up the indicators. After a lot of devastation, buyers have showed up. RSI is above support. I call this support, out of the danger zone. Looks good. Let's look at the MACD. Why are you doing this, computer? Smartboard. Thank you. After complete devastation, so as you can see, it should have kept going down and down and down. It didn't. It stopped. It broke it, and now it's changed its direction. So it's stabilized on the MACD. That's what you can see. RSI, also from massive collapse, has officially stabilized as well. So as of now, WW looks good. Looks good. Why $32 and not a couple of dollars lower under the cluster of candles? Saint, I got you. I'll look at that in a second. Looks like it dropped because of bad earnings. Got you, Sophie. Got you. So let me answer, Saint. Why $32, not a couple of dollars lower under the cluster of candles? I got you, Saint. You're right. You're 100% on the money. I missed that one. Thank you, Saint, for catching me on that. 30s is so. If you're in this anywhere in the 17 and 18s, it's nice. 24, you can start collecting some profits. 25% profits, half profits. However you want to play it out, that's on you. And you can let the rest ride. After 24 to 30, collect some profits. And then at 32, close out full position and just let whatever. Again, it's all up to you how you want to play it, but you got to learn to take profits. You got to learn to take profits. You can't just say let the whole thing ride. It's good to take some, 25%, 50%, 75%, I don't care, or close out the position. But then when you close out the position, it depends on your discipline level, you'll get FOMO and you'll be like, oh no, it keeps going. No. My suggestion to you, if anybody is in this trade or take this trade, whichever percentage you want, take it. It's whatever you're comfortable with. It depends on you. It's hard to answer that. It's hard to answer that. Boom. Boom. It's on you. It's on you. All right, let me answer some more questions. I'm here. Baby boy, what's up, D-God? How you doing? Ruben, good call. I needed this live topic, Professor. Thank you. You're welcome, Saint. I appreciate you. All right, so boom. There's that. There's that with WW. Boom. Any questions? I'm going to move to the next ticker. And again, Saint, I think you DM me about the seminar. I go extensively over all of this in the seminar. All the information is on the website down below. I go deep into all of this. All right, let's go. Next one. I swear I did this already. Didn't I do this? I know I'm not tripping. Yep, I did this. Okay. CAN. All right, let's go. Let's go. Oh, this looks good. This looks very good. Oh, I'm liking this. All right, let's do it. This looks very nice. Let's go. By the way, seminar students, homework for you, or not a homework, but a project, or not even a project, something to do for fun. If you want to, I don't know if Rob Weeble has fractional shares. I don't know. I know Robinhood does, but if you want it for fun, you could buy every ticker that's on a stage one, just so you can prove the success of what I'm doing today. You can go on Robinhood if you want to download it. Put in maybe $50, $25, and put $1 fractional shares, which means don't buy the full share if you don't want to, or you could buy one share. Who am I to tell people what to do? But point being, buy one share of everything I'm talking about tonight, just one, and see the difference and report back. And I'll bring you on the live show and report back, and we can talk about how it went from where it was that we talked about it tonight, the stage ones, anyway, the stage ones, and where you sold them and where it went to. Did it hit the levels that I showed you on the smart board? That'll be fun activity to do. So if anyone wants to do that, let me know so I can keep track. I want to keep track of, and then you can screenshot those and send it to me. Again, there's two ways to do this fun little project, right? As the professor giving a fun little project, you can buy fractional shares, meaning $1, $2 worth of each ticker I'm talking about today, or just buy one share of all the tickers that are on stage ones at any of the levels that you're comfortable with, or that I told you it's cool to get in, because I am saying the number, and trade it. Not trade it, sorry. Hold it to the levels. Boom. Weeble has them. Oh, boom. So thank you, Tanisha. But I don't want, no. But you know what? My students, I don't want you using your trading account to buy and hold. I don't want you swinging in your trading accounts. So just use Robinhood. Boom. All right, back to the lesson. Let me move this so I don't drop this. Okay. So now, let's go. I like this. I'm liking this a lot. Nice. Nice. All right, ticker can. Here we go. Collapsed. Held at 693. Lost it. Fell. Now it's back at it again. So if you can get into this ticker in the 5s or the 6s, you're fine. I'll feel more comfortable in the 5s. Again, any price in the 5s, any price in the 6. Boom. If you can get into this. And this thing will go. Why are you doing that, bro? Stay here. Boom. This is going to be a full $5 per share move right here. Getting into it at the $5, if you can get it at $5, and then all the way to 10. Sell it at 10. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. This is nice. This is very nice. So it has multiple levels. After 10, we're looking at 15. This could be a nice mover. This could be a nice mover. I like this. But let's go further into this. Because if it fails the 532, where is it going next? If it fails 532, it's going to 456. If it fails 456, it's going to 338. Keep that in mind. You have to know your stop loss. You have to know your stop loss here. So if you get into it in the 5s, understand that it could fall into the 456s and then the 338s. So know when you need to exit. Boom. Weeble can do it. Got you. I don't know that. Or in Cash App. You can buy stocks on Cash App? Since when? Jesus, can I get the tickers or does somebody have them? Jesus, you could just rewind this, baby boy, and watch it from the beginning when the live ends. It looks like a steal, baby boy. 100%. 100%, DT. 100%. All right. So there's my analysis on CAN. Let's turn on the indicators. Isn't it interesting that all the ones that have been devastated are under the 200, under the 20, like a little below the 9? Keep that in mind. Look at the MACD over here. I love it. Swear to God. Nice movement to the upside. Nice movement to the upside. MACD's looking good. RSI, let's see. RSI was on a downtrend, got broken out of the downtrend. Now it looks like it's shifting its direction to the upside. As you can see, it should have done this, but nope. Let's see what it's planning on doing right there. So this is boom. Let's go. Anything? Not in TI pranks. I don't know what TI pranks means. Cash app fire. Okay. What stage is SPY on right now? Saying I'm not looking at the SPY right now. Tony Garcia. Yo, I've been missing your lives. So what's the update with your ID? Tony, nothing yet. No updates yet, baby boy. But I'm cool with it. Cash app is for stocks and Bitcoin too. I know Bitcoin. Mr. Peters told me he buys his Bitcoin from there. So I love it. Okay. Interesting. Cash app has stocks. That's kind of weird. But it's cool. Boom. And that's W. I mean, that's CAN. That's CAN, everybody. Let's go to the next one. HUT. H-U-T. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Support. Resistance. Stage 1 broken. Looks like it wanted to fall. Let's see. Let's do it. Collapse. This might be a knock knock boom event. Let's see what happens here. Up, collapse, stage 1, stage 2, pulled back down. Oh, this is like testing new areas. Okay. All right. If you can get this anywhere, I would be happy getting this anywhere in the 7s, to be honest with you. Anywhere in the 7s. If you're a risk taker, 8s, 9s. So there you go on this one. But I would feel much better if I got this in the 7s. Anywhere at this strong level of support to ride it back up for maximum profit. Like a $4 move if I could get it in the 7s and sell it in the 11s. Boom. Let's see. Where the MACD at? How are the indicators looking? Okay, it's above the 200. It's above the 20. It's above the 9. As you can see, it's holding very nicely above the 9. These are all good signs here. This is all good signs. Look at the MACD. MACD is looking good, but the issue I have here is, I'm going to show you what my issue with this is. Let's see, I'm going to ask you. I'm not going to say it. What is my issue with this? Look at the MACD. Tell me. Let me read the comments while you guys answer this. Professor, what's up, CD? Glad to be in class. Welcome. Welcome to class. That RSI trend line and the reading the break is next level. 100% Scala. HUT and CAN are Bitcoin plays. Yep. That's the crypto sector. Sounds good. Looks like a cup and handle. What do you notice, guys? Let's go. Tell me. Let's go. We're at 56 right now. I think, no, YouTube, my record at YouTube was like 160. But that was when I used to bring people over for IG. So, new records. Professor, can you look at YINN? I'm only looking at the seminar students' tickers, John. I'm only looking at their tickers. Green Towers smaller. Yes. Momentum. Yeah. Very good, guys. Very good. 100%. This, not a fan of that. Not a fan of that. Keep that in mind. I don't like this. So what would that mean? If I was going to get into this, again, me personally, I would feel better in the 7s or 8s. I would feel a lot better getting in. Understanding that it is a strong, this is where conviction, trusting, discipline comes into play, and believing your trading abilities, right? That's where that comes into play. Knowing that this is a strong level, boom. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Boom. Questions? I'm attending the October 7th. Oh, John. Yes, John. What's up? My bad. Yes, you're Murhawk. Your IG is Murhawk. Boom. 100%. John, if I have time, I'll look at it. But I'm going through a list, John. But I will look at it. Olga, the Green Mountain is getting smaller. Yes, Olga. DT, looks like it's stage 1. Still have room to grow to buy in. Yup. There are not stage 2 vibes that right there. Those are not stage 2 vibes there. Yup. It's not stage 2. That's for sure. I'm not a fan of it. As of now. Boom. And again, I want someone to keep track of these tickers for me. Keep track of them and what I'm saying. Boom. I think this is going to do this. Once it breaks 11:30, we'll see some. I don't know what's going to happen to this thing, but we'll see some crazy numbers on this one. Boom. All right, there's that. Next one. The next one is my stock, my baby girl, MRO. Why is VWAP on? We can't use VWAP on the daily chart. VWAP needs to go. How did I not notice that? All right, you might see a lot of lines here because MRO is my ticker. I trade this religiously. Okay. So now, let's have a conversation. Let's focus here for a second. As you can see, we were getting in sick buyers. We got some sellers over here. 2 consistent days of strong sellers. That's number 1. MACD is looking good. But you can see not the curling, but the pinching. It's getting tighter and closer to the seller side. That's number 1. What else? Let me show you more. After all these nice days, you can see this is extremely bearish right here. Now you got an undecided doji. That's where the issue comes about. You got an undecided doji, which means the buyers or sellers are deciding what the freak, bro. What are we doing about this right now? What's going on? So this comes into a very interesting territory. Look at the RSI. We are really deep in the danger zone. Really deep in the danger zone. So like I said, let me get, there's too many support resistance lines. There's too many of them. Hold on. Too many. It's been running up. Now it looks like it pulled back. So now the question is, I would look at the oil futures, and the oil futures are popping off. Because remember, I trade MRO, I look at the oil futures, they are popping off. MRO is popping off even when the SPY was collapsing and doing horrifically. MRO was just going to the moon. It wouldn't stop. So now, this is where you would sit and wait and see. Now watch this. Let me turn on just the indicators. No, I don't want the drawings. Hide drawings. Okay. Going based off the indicators, the EMAs, what do you notice? I'm not going to say it yet. What do you guys notice? Tell me. CD, MRO, my December call, $14 is up 300%. Nice. CD, did you take that call when I told you it was going to go to 14 weeks ago? Tell me. Professor, do you only use Heiken candle on small time frame? Yep, Saint. I use Heiken Ashi all day. Excuse me. I love Heiken Ashi. Crazy grades. Volume was down today too. Yep. Looks like needs to come down some. waiting for someone to see what they notice. Overextended from the 9. Needs to come back to the 9. It is overextended. So now, let me show you something. Let me show you something. Ready? Let me go to the 2 hour. Look at this nice movements above the EMAs. The candles were above, except forget pre-market and after hours. I don't care about that whatsoever. Let me shut that off. Bro, I said shut off. Forget it. Now, it's below the 9, but it is above the 20. Keep that in mind. It's below the 9, but it is above the 20. If you are swing trading, again, I don't swing trade this. If you're swing trading this, when should you worry? Tell me in the comment section. When should you worry? You said it when it was 11. 100%. I did. And then CD, you're not in my seminar group, but at the seminar group, I told them where it was going after. I told them the whole thing at the book club. So boom. Boom. When the 9 crosses down to 20, okay. Something else, Ruben. You're not wrong, but something else. Something else. You're not wrong, Ruben, though. You're not wrong. Hey, we're about to cross 60 on the live. I love it. Blew past my price target, started making new ones, and it was going up. I love it, CD. If you ever get the chance, come on the live and tell the story. Tell the story how you pulled that off. Below the 20. Very good, Tanisha. Very good. Once these candles, if you notice, oh, mother. Look at the last time they were below. You had the crossover point right here. Once these bad boys get here, and the 20 does this, and the 9 does this, we're in trouble. We're in trouble. Then you know you're in the danger zone. Then it ain't looking so good for you. Let's go back to the daily chart. We are super overextended. And again, let's study this, right? Let's study this. Let's go back. Let's look at the past to understand the present. For you to truly understand how to trade, you must understand the past movements. As you can see, this has rallied up before. Rallied up, rallied up, rallied up. Look what starts happening. Once it starts doing this, below the 9, now it's below the 20. Now look, struggling. As it struggles, it just starts doing this. Consolidating. Keep that in mind. Let's see what happens. Let's get back. So my thing for you guys would be with MRO, if you're gonna start off a new swing position, don't start off a new swing position. If you're trading it, just keep checking it out, okay? Boom. All right. I'll be there soon. Thank you, CD. When it gets close to 20, Fred, what are you talking about? $20? Volume is decreasing. When is below the 9, it's if bearish. If the 9 crosses 20, it becomes stage 4. Well, you don't have to even think about it that way. Just look at it the way the candles are moving. Once it starts consolidating, again, study the past to understand the present and the future. When the candles start consolidating, that's when you should start worrying. When bars are below both 9 and 20, that's really, Becky, what's up? That's really when it gets dangerous. Boom. Look at the RSI. You got it, Fred. Look at the RSI. Yeah, I looked at it already. Super danger zone. I call this black area the danger zone. So, boom. It's too expensive. I'm not a fan of it. It's too expensive. So that's my story with MRO. Let's jump to the next one. BTU. Tracy's favorite. All right, let's go. Let's get rid of the indicators. Zoom out. Okay. Oh, it was on stage 4. Came down. Okay. All right, so this is an interesting lesson right here. Let's talk about this. All right, here's the thing. Stage 4, stage 1, stage 2. But here's my issue with this ticker right here. Let's see if someone can tell me. Why do I have an issue with those candles? Let's go. Someone tell me. Come on. Why do I have an issue with these candles? In that danger zone, would you be ready to short or do you wait? I wait, Becky. But remember, if I'm trading, I can scalp it. I can scalp short it. So that's not a problem. But if we're talking swing trading and you're shorting it, I would wait for a clear consolidation. And then, boom. Julian, who's Steve? Who's Steve? Undecided, lots of dojis. Yes, undecided, lots of dojis. So what does that mean, Ruben? What does that mean, Sophie? What does that mean? Risky, undecision, Emmanuel Hernandez, yes. But what does that mean? No pattern, tug of war, very good between the buyers and sellers. Keep going. I'm waiting for a more concrete answer. Keep going. It's all over the place. You have a new fan from Peter's Walk and Talk. Thank you for coming to YouTube. Boom. Diggy, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. You like to walk and talk when he came to New York, when I invited him to New York to my events. I appreciate that. Thank you, Diggy. More selling, no clear trend or direction. Yeah, but if I'm a swing trader or a trader, give me. What's my mindset right now if I'm seeing this? But you guys are on the money. Your answers are on the money. Especially yours, Sebastian. No clear trend, direction. So then, usually change in trend, but could be either way. We don't know yet. No clear direction yet. But what should I do? If I'm a trader, what should I do if I see this? We can't tell who is in control. Can go either way. We need to confirm a trend first. Yes. 2 months on tail candle, 3 red candle, reversal trend. Yes. Undecided week could go either way. Steve Jin Cohen coming on your shows. Got you, Julian. Got you. So the answer is we don't trade. There it is. Sophie said it. There it is. You don't trade it. Do not trade. So Tracy, if you're listening, stay away from this right now. What the freak? Don't touch this. We don't know. This is bad. This is good. Well, this is one of the most horrible handwritings of mine. Good. Bad. The issue with this is many traders have no patience, have no discipline. They don't have the ability to wait for it. They feel like many traders, they feel like, damn, I need to get it now. It's cheaper before it goes up. And the problem is it usually goes down because you have to wait for the clear trend. So, for example, what am I talking about here? I call this the XYZ staircase pattern. And when the staircase is broken, you exit. Here, I don't know what the hell is happening over here. Keep that in mind. So let's move to the next one. Let me see any questions. Take profits or don't get in. I'm on the edge of my seat. Tell us, Becky. Stage one. That one, don't even look at it. Stay away or take profits. Shave some off. Look later. Correct. Sell or run. Professor, your candles are not on hiking. Yeah, Tanisha. They're not on hiking. Not on the daily. We can do it, but look at it like this. Leave it alone. Good job, Soph. 100%. All right, next ticker. CRK. This has been on a sick rally. Paused. Rallied again. Now it looks like, let's see what's going on over here. Let's see what's going on. Energy sector has been booming. Energy sector has been booming. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Swear to God. When you see that, doesn't that look nice? It's holding right on the 20. As long as it's above the 20, we're good. You rather it be above the 9 and the 20 at this, that's what you ultimately want. But this is looking pretty good. But RSI don't look good. Look at RSI over here, guys. Oh, I think this is run its show. I think this is run its show. Look at this. This is going to free fall. Stay away from this one. Stay away. I think this might start. This might be a stage 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is. Perfect. Okay, let's learn. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. What comes after stage 3? And I want the exact number, and I gave the answer. Mother, give me the exact number, and what happens exactly? Let's go. Let's go. Oh, we just hit 60 on the live. Nice. Welcome, 60 people. Nice. Let's break some records. Let's break some records. We're not back on the way it used to be, but it's all good. It's all good. Who says I can't build an audience here? Who says I can't build an audience here, man? I got the greatest community of traders next to me, besides me. So what the hell? I feel like I can build an audience here and level up, but it's up to you guys to spread the message. This person that took out my IG also took away my marketing team. Made sure people didn't work with me. So it's up to you to tell everyone that you want to tell about what I could do, and just tell them. Post it, like take a picture, record this, post it on your stories, give them the link, all of that good stuff. It's really in your hands. My mom, where I go it's all up to you guys. And I appreciate you guys watching and subscribing. Stage 4 downtrend, 100%. Can it hit off the 50 on the RSI? It could, Eric. It could. Stage 4 bearish, stage 4 downwards, stage 4 collapse. If you build it, they will come, 100%. You can build anything you want, Professor. Thank you, Sophie. 4 and goes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So the next now, once it breaks 946, this. Thank God this will be recorded and saved. I want someone to keep track of all of this and be like, yo, Professor, everything you said, boom. Boom, 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 boom. So, boom. I want you guys to keep your eyes on this. All right. We're here. Thank you, Jeanette. Only the real here. That's true, Rob. The ones that truly focused and wanted to are here. That's true. Valid point. Consolidation. Yep. We got the greatest professor. Thank you, Misfit. On 4 going down. We in stage 1 right now on YouTube. That's true. We are on stage 1 right now. We are on stage 1. Let's go. Accumulation. I like that. I like that. Thank you, Scala. Good for you, Professor. Love the attitude. Thank you, Ruben. We appreciate you. Thank you, John. You go. You will grow bigger here, brother. Thank you, CD. That's right, Professor. Will happen. Thank you, Olga. So, boom. So my suggestion is stay away from CRK right now. The risk is too high. It's ran up. Again, you can see it ran up. And look, this is where the retail traders might try to get in. But this is where institutions short. Once it breaks 946, timber, it's going down. It's going down. As you can see, guys, look where it is. It's very close. It's very close. Yo, I really want someone to track this for me. I really want someone to track this for me. I'm excited. I'm excited for this one. All right. Stay away from CRK. Do not touch it. Do not touch it. Stay away. All right. Oh, wait. I wanted to make a point. Hold on. Hold on. I wanted to make a point about CRK. We know that it's holding on the 20. It's below the 9. RSI is not looking so good. MACD. I'm in a great mood. I don't know why I'm laughing. There's no reason to laugh at this. The momentum has shifted, as you can see. It's just, it ain't looking so good. So you have many ways of finding out the data points that tell you to stay away. Stay away. Don't touch this. It don't look so good. All right, let's get the hell out of here. Next one, FTI. Get rid of them. Downtrend, consolidation. Oh God. Yeah, see, I don't like all these dojis. I don't like them. I don't like them. I don't like them. Let's see. All right, MACD looking good. All right, MACD's okay. Okay. Hold on. MACD's looking good. Trending up, but this needs to shift a little bit. It needs to shift a little bit. It's stuck below the 200. Yeah, of course, 200. This is the same example that I showed you guys before. The 200 is steel. It's causing a lot of problems for this bad boy. A lot of problems. Yeah. Too much happening over here. Way too much happening. I'm not a fan of it. I'm not a fan of it. I'm not a fan of FTI. Jivo. Ooh, everybody's favorite. Let's do it. Everybody loves talking about Jivo all the time. All right, guys, I did this already on the entries and exit shows. I think this was the entries and exit show. I believe so. So as you can see, Jivo is on a stage 1. Jivo is on a stage 1 accumulation phase. So it needs to break 701, but also it needs to break this trend line. As you can see, let me zoom in. I need to show you something that you guys need to understand. I want you to keep your eyes only here. I'm going to ask you, what do you notice in that white box? Tell me what you notice. Let's go. Becky, we will make you bigger. Thank you, Becky. Scala, let's go. We're going to build your YouTube link, YouTube up. Thank you, Julian. CDLMAO. YouTube to the moon, Professor. Thank you, Jen. Jen, good to see you. Ruben Timber, starting a short position. Cool. Puts, karaoke. We ain't doing karaoke. Cry puts. New song, stay away. CRK puts. I'll look at that actually. I'll look at that after this. Let me confirm if you should do puts on it. Looks like broken stairs. Sophie cracked the 200 today. What does that mean? Sophie cracked the 200 today. The ticker Sophie or the person Sophie? Julian been waiting for that Jibo. Steven, I can't wait for you to come to the seminar, baby boy. I love it. Julian's bringing all the friends from Mercedes over. Yo, can you think about the networking right now at the seminar? We got all the Mercedes people there. I used to own a Mercedes a long time ago. I used to have the sports car, the SLK two-seater drop top, many moons ago. Too many flat tires. I got rid of it. That was funny. Julian been waiting on that Jibo. That's funny. Okay, let's get back to the comments. Head and shoulders, lower lows, trend down, double bottom, lower lows, downtrend. Yeah. You guys are all on. Yeah, you guys are right. You got it. See that? That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. But we are on a stage one. We are on a stage one. People, the only thing that needs to happen is sector rotation. Right now, we're popping off in energy, not green energy. We're popping off in oil right now, right? So eventually, I need you to understand this. Jivo's time will come. I'm laughing at Steven's comment, guys. I'm laughing at Steven's comment. I don't know. I'm in a good mood. Julian been waiting on that Jivo. LOL. That's funny. So the clean energy's time will come. Democrats are not going anywhere. Biden, if it's not Biden, it's Kamala. They're not going anywhere. That's what they want, you know? So, boom. Now, if a Republican comes in, we have time. We have time to the next election, of course. That will be a problem for clean energy. But for now, the Democrats, you already know. So, they love this. Like I said, this is their wet dream. So, point being, hold on tight. We're still on the stage one. We're still on the stage one. It does need to break this trend, by the way. That white trend line, that trend line needs to be broken. So as you can see, boom. There's Jivo, guys. There's Jivo. Let's pull up the indicators. It is above the 200. That's good. It's above the 9. It's above the 20. All that's good. All that's good. The MACD looks the MACD looks ridiculous. Like, look at this. What the freak? It wanted to do something, and then it said, "Nah, bro, screw that." It's on its own little mind right now. Jivo. And as you can see, it doesn't even have a clear trend. It's not clean enough. There's my story on Jivo. There's my story on Jivo. The ticker, baby boy, crazy. Jivo, Gevo. CD says, "Sheesh. Why isn't that a good sign?" So what? So what thing, Eric? They just passed the bill. I thought the bill didn't get passed. I thought they're fighting because $3.5 billion. They want to lower it. Boom. The thing about whatever the infrastructure plan. Boom. All right. That's my 2 cents on Jivo. Next one. CLNE. I guess we've plotted this before. All right, let's go. Bye-bye indicators. All right, let's go. Looks like it's trying to become a stage 2. This is nice. I like this. Ticker is CLNE. Clean energy. Oh god. Clean energy. Looks like it's trying. It looks like it is on a stage 2 right now. Looks like it. This looks good. Let's check it out. Let's turn on the indicators. Let's see if we can get extra confirmation. Let's start with my favorite MACD. Okay. Buyers in control above the 0-point histogram. Let's see what happens. The momentum does look like it's weakening. It does look like it's weakening. Okay. That's one. RSI. Uptrend. It's above all the EMAs. It's above the 200. You know what's funny? I want you guys to notice something here. I want you to look at the green line, which is the 200 EMA. And that's the price of 845, the resistance it broke. Once it broke that, it took off. So this, guys, you can put this in. CLNE is now officially on a stage 2 uptrend. Boom. Boom. There you go, guys. CLNE is on a clean stage 2 uptrend. I like it. I like it. I like it. This is looking good. All the way up to $10. You got some insane resistance at $10, but you can ride this bad boy up. Let's see something. Hold up. Yeah. Yep. If you can get an entry anywhere in the $8, you're looking good. Anywhere in the $8. There you go. Boom. There's my 2 cents on this one. Next one. FSR. Fiskar? Yep. Fiskar. Get rid of the EMA. Wow. I don't remember the last time I ever technical analysis broken this down, but it's back. So this is on a stage 1 right now. If you can get in anywhere between the $13 and the $14, you're good. Because look, if you notice, it's done it in the past. It stayed above $14 for a while and then rocket shipped. A little smaller rocket ship. Oh no. Yeah, the rocket ships, the bounces are getting smaller. As you can see it. I'm not a fan of it actually. It is on a stage 1, but I'm not a fan of it. But if you can get in the 13s, you're fine. If you can get it in the 13s. Let's see. Where is it even better? Because I see another level of support right here. If it falls below that, you're looking at $9. So if you get it in the 13s and it breaks 13.11 to the downside, you're looking at $9 it's going to fall to. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. That's the next level it's going to fall to. Boom. So if you have some Fiskar, keep that in mind. Let's turn on the indicators. I'm laughing. I just realized why I'm laughing. Like when I trade my MRO, the MACD looks clean. Up, down, looks clean. These tickers, the MACD is just looking so goddamn. Like what are you doing? But it does look good. We'll get bigger on the next one. Looks like it will. RSI is looking interesting. Honestly, I'm not a fan of it, but it is on a stage 1. Let's just put it that way. It is on a stage 1. Boom. There's my thoughts on that. I don't know why Nicola's here. This stock gets in so much trouble with the media. Didn't the head of this company get in a lot of trouble as well? Yeah. As you can see, I'm not a fan of this stock at all. The second I saw it, I'm like, what? Look at this. It's getting lower. Its highs are getting lower and lower and lower and lower. Why the hell? No. No to this one. All right, let's go. Load up. Love stage 2 load up time. I'm writing all these down. Nice, Edie. Good. Take notes. Spinning tops. Possible influx point. Which way will it go? It's not clear. 100% chat. Steve likes stage 4. I think Steve and Julian got a little thing going on over here. A little battle in the comment section. Steve likes that stage 4 Lucid to short to $20. Puts all day. Is Lucid on the list? I'll look at it if anything. My point being, I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of any of this. I'm not a fan of any of this. All right, next one. OCGN. Oh, this looks like a pump and dump. Why does this look like a pump and dump to me? What the freak? 100 million volume. Look at these. See, anytime... I don't like these stickers. Anytime I see this... You see this? You see this? What is this? Like, what? No. 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 Look at the drop. I don't like this. I don't like when I see this. I don't like these kind of tickers. And look at this pump. I don't like it. Let me get rid of some of these drawings. This moves like a penny stock. I'll draw it out anyway. It's too erratic. No, I don't want anyone touching this. I'm not even gonna look at it. It's too erratic. I don't have my seal of approval on that ticker. Guys, I'm skipping OCGN. It doesn't have my seal of approval. I wouldn't trade it, so I wouldn't want anybody touching it. I wouldn't want anyone touching it. So, I'm not even gonna look at it. I don't like any of it. This is good. PAVM. Never heard of this one before. All right, let's do it. After it broke through stage 2, it's just been on stage 2 since when? Since February? Come on, no way. What? Yo, this has been just consolidating. This is a very interesting move right here. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. Very interesting move. Mother. I knew that was going to happen. Okay. All right. This is a very interesting mover right here. It has been consistently moving up. It does nice little pauses. Let's check it out. Let's turn on the indicators. This is an interesting looking stock. All right. RSI does not look good. RSI is on a downtrend. RSI is on a downtrend. MACD, sellers in control, lost momentum. Oh, it's below the 9 and the 20. This is going to fall to 732. Yeah, this is done. 3 days of straight sell-offs. 3 days of straight volume to the downside. Yeah, this don't look good. Next one. Okay. For those of you watching, when you say like put season and puts, enjoy those. If I say I don't like it, that means puts. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. All right, next one. Ferroglobe Gsm. Okay, cool. Check you out. Rocket ship came down, found support. All right. Now, as you can see, it's in this level of between 7 and 9. Looks like it's going to go below the 7. And then if it does go below the 7, it's going to $5.49. Let's turn on the indicators. RSI is a downtrend. MACD is a downtrend. Straight sell-off. It was a massive pump, massive sell. It's below the 9 and the 20. I think this is going to 549. As you can see, the green line at 200, it'll probably fall and hold over there. MACD is looking devastating. As the options people would say, put season, everybody. Put season. This is on a collapse. This looks like it is consolidating, but I think it's going to fall a little bit further. Boom. Hopefully someone can keep track of everything I'm saying. Professor, I think I saw you break the 60 earlier. Remember, an oven takes time to heat up, but once it gets cooking, it's hot. The viewers are coming. Thank you, Chad. Yeah, it's all good. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. I like it. I like it. Boom. Next one. Wait. CD is saying LOL OCGN. Why LOL? What did I say about it? Let me see. Oh, this? Oh, God. No. This is insane. You know what? Let's look at this for a second. We're going to look at OCGN for 2 seconds. Hold on. I want to see something. So there are people. There are people that are probably swinging this. There are people that are probably swinging this, thinking it's going to keep going. All right. All right. All right. So let's look at this, right? Once it crossed over the... I'm on the 15-minute chart, by the way. Once it crossed over the 200, it steadily started increasing, took off in pre-market, came down in after hours. Sorry, took off in after hours, came down in pre-market, and then shot up today. RSI on the 15 don't look good, but let's jump to the 2 hour for a second. Let's see what happens. It's on an uptrend on the 2 hour chart. The RSI is in the danger zone. It's below the 70, which is resistance, but it could go and do another bounce. It could. Let's look at MACD for a second. The volume is sick. 100 million on a 21 million average. It's turning. Let's see what happens. Yeah, these are always interesting. These are always interesting. It is above the 20. It is above the 9. If it breaks 935, we'll do another run. Someone keep me updated on this OCGN play. I'm not trading it. I'm just saying. All right, next one. Let's go. Get the hell out of that one. GSM. Did I look at this already? I did look at it already. All right, next one. INDI. Indie Semiconductors. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What the freak is happening over here? This is interesting. I don't like it. I don't like it. I want someone to tell me because I need you to start thinking like me. When I say I don't like it and I make that reaction after seeing the candles, what is it that I'm seeing that when I say I don't like it? Let's go. Let me answer some questions until you guys tell me that. Let me answer some questions. Mother. Okay. Steven, why are there gaps like that in OCGM? What does that mean? Oh, Steven, that means it was pumped. That gap means it was pumped, my brother. That's what that means. It had FDA catalyst. Boom. DQ50. Gap up in price due to increased volume on news. There you go. Thank you, Jay Haas. Broke 950 as SPY sold off. I took profit on that fall below 950. We'll look at it to re-enter 950 tomorrow. Okay. Pump and dumps. Yes. There you go, Julian. Boom. Inconsistent price action. Yes, Mr. Haas. Yes. Yes. What else? Inconsistency. Four red candles. Choppy. Messy chart. Yes. Yes. You got it, guys. That's the exact answer I was looking for. So when I see these, I don't even want to bother when I see it doesn't look clean. You want clean trends. Consolidation, uptrend, downtrend. Clean. Not whatever the hell this disaster is. Boom. Messy chart. Candle wicks are all over the place. Exactly, Sophie. Exactly. So I'm not even going to look at this. Next one. That's it? I covered that. No way I covered 23. I covered 23 tickers already? God damn. Okay. John, if you're watching, Murhawk, IG is Murhawk. Give me the ticker you wanted me to look at because you are coming to the seminar, so I'll make an exception for you, baby boy. I said only seminar student stickers, but you are going to be one. You're coming to the October one, so I got you. All right. VST, Vistra Corp, Electric Utilities. Check it out. Check it out. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. So as you can see, it was consolidating very nicely. It broke that consolidation. This is the dangers right here of swing trading. It broke it. Whoa. Look at this. Massive gap. If anyone knows, can you tell me what the hell happened here? It went from $24 to $17. I've never been in something like that. A stock that can fall $7 like that. I can't imagine being in anything like this. People get scared of trading in, the market. They just disappear. Don't trade stuff like this. Tickers that can do that. All right. Boom. Let's pull up the indicators. All right. MACD is on a downtrend. Not looking good here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show you something. We looked at the green, right? Check this. The seller momentum is shifting and it's increasing to their side. So I don't like this one bit. And it's getting further away from the 0-point histogram. Yes, it's doing this, but it's probably going to curl right back down. RSI. RSI is on a downtrend. It's below the EMAs, the 200. Again, if it's below 200, you should be worried. If it's below 200, it's above the 20. It's above the 9. Again, if you're gonna trade this, and you get in, let me see, let me go to the past. Yeah, this likes to stay in this range. As you can see, it really likes to stay within this. This thing loves to stay within the $16 to $19 range. It's like its home base. It really enjoys that. But when it breaks, it runs. To $24. This thing could run to 24. And where's the other level? 21. So boom. There you go. There you go, guys. Boom, boom, boom. There is, I broke down 23 of the seminar student stickers. Let me knock out some questions. Comments. Cash, it looks choppy. I play OCGN under $7 and just wait for the pump. It does every 3 months this year. That's interesting. Hold on. Let me see something. OCGN. What did he say? I play OCGN under $7 and just wait for the pump. So he buys it under $7. Yep. Under 7. The 6s is good. The 6, I like that. CD, I gotta get you on a live show one of these days. If you buy OCGN in the 6s, because OCGN is a beautiful pump and dump, by the way. I'm not telling you to trade OCGN or whatever. I'm just saying it has a very nice pump. He's not wrong. If you can get it, and that's usually where the 200 is. As long as you can get it above the 200 EMA, it does the bounce. You can get it in the 6s, anywhere in the 6s. Get out in the 9s. Get out in the 9s every time. 6, 7, 8, 9. Not bad. Not bad. Boom. We can give you more. I'll do John's. YINN. I got you, John, because you're coming to the seminar, so I got you right now. Earnings, Sophie, a woman of such sophistication, class, and value, they name a ticker after her. That's true. Sophie's the best. Rump and dump. Ticker. Professor eating the wrong brownies gang. Chad, what the hell? Chad, what does that mean? Professor eating the wrong brownies gang? What does that mean, Chad? Bear flag 200, put season, boom. Yin. Don't touch it. Jivo is sloop. LOL Chad. Jivo is sloppy right now. It is. Indeed, it is. Are you, can you analyze the SPY for us? I got you, Evelyn. Be careful. People might jump on it. All right, so let me look at one more. YINN. And then I'll look at the SPY. I got you guys. Please don't be a Chinese stock. It is. It's Chinese. All right, I'll look at it. I'll look at it. I wish I could tell you guys to tag Mr. Peters, but it doesn't work that way. Because I would say he loves the Chinese stocks. But I understand his reasoning for liking it. So, Merhawk, John, last time I broke down this YINN was with Mr. Peters, Gerald Peters, for full auto 11. So, the line is still there. If you can get in the $8 range, you're good to go. If you can get this in the $8 range. But this is on a devastation right now on the downside. If you look at what's happening with China and the whole Evergrande thing, it ain't looking so good. You got to understand the economics and the politics of it, right? Go back a couple of decades. What was China doing? Booming, creating real estate left and right, all over the place in China. Places where people will never want to live. All of this just to artificially, Turkey does the same thing. And their leader, Erdogan, I can't pronounce his name, but they do it in other countries all over the world. They artificially inflate real estate. They create all these real estate projects, create all these buildings people are not going to live in to, again, artificially inflate the market. And eventually, TikTok, time comes, they have to pay their debts. And that's what's happening in China. I think it's going to get a lot worse before it gets better. So I don't know what's going to happen, but China manipulates everything. So who knows what they'll do, but I don't think it's going to get any better. And it will affect the Chinese market. So this thing could go lower, but it does have a strong level of support. at $8.27, Murhawk, John. So boom, boom. All right. It's all over the board. Reversal coming. Reversal could be coming, Diego. 100%. 100%. If you get in at a strong level at $8, you're good to go. Buy and hold. China isn't going anywhere. China isn't going anywhere. All right, let's look at the SPY. Let's do SPY futures. The market's closed right now. Okay. I'm just going to look at oil for 2 seconds. Oh, God. I don't like that. I don't like that. That's not good. I guess time to start shorting even aggressively now. But let's see what happens tomorrow. All right, what is this? Futures. All right, let's go. SPY. Guys, we're looking at the SPY futures. Ticker is ES1 exclamation point. And as of now, not looking so good. Not looking so good. Let's look at the MACD. We are, as you can see, below the 0-point histogram. Not a good sign. RSI doesn't have a clear trend. Looks like it's consolidating. It's stuck under the 50. Boom. Okay, what else? We are below the 20. We are below the 9. Not good. Not good. A lot of sellers. What am I on the daily? Yeah. 3 days of sellers. Let's look at the SPY itself. So today wasn't a good day. There you go. So as you can see, we're not looking good. It's not looking good. Let's look at the VIX. What the freak? The VIX should be looking good. If the SPY is not looking good, the VIX should be looking good. Boom. All right. That is a wrap, everybody. That is a wrap. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I appreciate all of you, the 60 plus people that came and watched the show. Thank you, all of you, for coming and watching and supporting as always. I appreciate all of you for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking. Thank you so much. That's a wrap. I'll see you Friday, 8 p.m., 9 p.m. show. Let's have a good time. Guys, watch the SPY, watch your tickers, and boom. That's a wrap, everybody. Good night. All the information you need, by the way, free course at the bottom. Trading journal, the books you should read, information for the virtual seminar, all down below. Whatever you need, boom. Good night, guys. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you.